Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. So I'm Zerina. I'm working in the Education Department of K2 Partnering Solutions. In this webinar, as you know, we will speak about Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what is it? It's the most successful platform for managing all the marketing activities of a company. But we will see also that this technology is not only used for marketing activities, also for the other departments of a company. We will have a Q&A session at the end of this presentation, but if you have any issue in hearing me or you're not able to see my screen, just let me know using the panel on the right. You can raise your hand or write directly in the chat, I can see. So, our brands. First of all, I would like to introduce to you what K2 Partnering Solutions is. We are leaders in consultative technology staffing. We have more than 23 years of experience in IT industry, and we are global as we have 19 offices all over the world. The second icon represents K2 Connect. It is our human cloud community platform where we stay in touch with our clients, with our consultants. Apart from the fact that you can benefit from our loyalty reward programs, discount, you will receive support regarding IT education and recruitment. You can see directly the open job opportunities that we have, and you can apply directly with your CV. Then the person responsible will receive a notification. You can have a call directly with a recruiter, and so we will stay in touch in this platform. There are a lot of opportunities in K2 Connect. And the third icon represents K2 University, the education division I'm working for. Here is a quick overview of what we are doing in K2 University. So, as an IT staffing company, we realized over the years that there was a big digital skill gap. Companies needed competent, trained, and certified professionals who were not in the market. And on the other hand, IT professionals were looking for a training tailored to their needs, perhaps that was online, led by certified professionals, or aimed at acquiring specific skills within few days and not without taking too long. This is why K2 University was born. Today, we are Salesforce authorized training provider. We deliver official courses all over the world, both for the freelance community and for companies as well. So we start from the career advice, trying to understand with the consultant what is the best way he could reskill or he could upskill with official education and training that will let him to obtain a certification, and then we try to place this person in the job opportunities we receive from our clients. During this process, we provide ongoing support. So also when you achieve the certification or once you are placed in this company, we will stay in touch and try to give you the best service. What is Salesforce? So Salesforce is the leader in CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. That is a technology used for managing all the company's relationships and interactions with the clients, with the customers. Salesforce was the first to implement a CRM software based on the cloud. Of course, this implies all the benefits of the cloud regarding the data storage, being able to access the platform from anywhere, from any device. You need only an internet connection. You can track live data, analyze the data, always with easy speed, accuracy, and security that this platform provides. Why Customer 360? Because Salesforce is called in that way, as it's an integrated platform that puts the customer at the center of the business. All companies departments such as marketing, sales, e-commerce, etc., can see a single view of each customer. Salesforce was created 20 years ago, and nowadays has more than 150,000 customers. It means that it owns a big portion of the global market. And it's a company that is continuously improving, growing, and that's why there is the need of Salesforce professionals. As you can see, it will create more than 5 million new jobs within the next 4 years. So the demand is huge. And here you can see some numbers from the official Salesforce report of this year. For example, 17.1 billion revenues, up 29% year over year. So you can see that the company is growing a lot. More than 49,000 employees. And here you can see 90% of the Fortune 500 are Salesforce customers. So imagine all the big companies are using Salesforce, but also the smaller one. It doesn't depend on the size, it doesn't depend on the industry. So it's a leader for this reason. What is Marketing Cloud? So Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the best tool for managing marketing activities, as I told you at the beginning. Why? Because it is it's one platform for managing everything, for managing personalized one-to-one customer journey through the entire process. So from marketing to sales, service, etc., from all the departments. And using also different channels and devices, email, emails, SMS, push notifications, social media, advertising, etc. Um, because marketing has to be adapted to the age we are living in. So we are using social networks, we have different apps, customer needs are always more important, and companies are putting the customer at the center. So that's why this platform was born. As an integrated platform, marketers will save time because they don't need to manage different tools and integrate data in different systems from one system to another. They can focus on the relationship with the customer. And Marketing Cloud allow us to deliver the right message at the right time because it is an intelligent and automated platform. Here you can see that there are different products that are included in the Marketing Cloud. So all these tools make the platform effective, efficient for all marketing phases, so planning, segmentation, then create valuable and personalized content, the automation part, and then we can monitor also the feedback from our customers. Let's have a look more in deep. So Email Studio is for email marketing campaign. Mobile Studio allows us to send SMS push messages in real time. Advertising Studio um, allows us to manage all the social media and to do advertising across, for example, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Social Studio um, gives us the opportunity to engage with customers, connect the social media to marketing, sales, and service. Journey Builder we will see later more specifically, but it's used to build these customized customer journeys using different communication tools. Audience Studio, basically it looks for the right audience. So it captures data from different platforms and devices and unifies the data. Then there is the segmentation part, everything done in order to prepare for the marketing for marketers. Datorama uses Salesforce uses Datorama to obtain some intelligent insights about the marketing activity. I forgot Data Studio, where data owners and buyers share data in a transparent way in order to achieve the best audience for for marketers. Google Analytics, we're speaking about analytical tools, so reports, statistics in real time. We can check, for example, who visits our website, how are our email marketing campaigns going, how powerful we are on social media, etc. And last but not least, the Interaction Studio. So with Interaction Studio, we can see how our customers react in real time. So we can see their behavior both online and also on store. For example, if a customer receives a particular brand offer and then opens the mobile app, Interaction Studio is able to recognize it and update in real time the marketing team about these actions. So as we spoke, we can use different tools for the communication with our customers, emails, social networks, push notification messages, that will be included in that personalized journey builder for that specific customer. And then we can use analytical tools to understand the real-time feedback, real-time data, also with Interaction Studio, understand the behavior of the client, of the customer. Let's have a look in deep of what Journey Builder is. So Journey Builder is a part of Marketing Cloud. It's used to build the customer journeys that are personalized. For example, you can see in this video that you can schedule your follow-ups, sending emails, put dynamic content, etc. For example, I can send an email to a customer and schedule the second follow-up. If the client opens the email, I will send him the specific content. If the client doesn't open the email, I will send him something else. Suppose that, for example, a customer hasn't opened the email, I can decide to send him an SMS, and after one day, if the customers didn't open the email, I can send you this SMS. If I see that the customer is more willing to open the SMS than the email, I can understand that this is his preferred method of communication. Or for example, the customer want to buy a new mobile phone because I see that he opens often the app to see the prices of that particular model of the mobile phone. So I can, for example, schedule that 1 week before his birthday, he receives a special discount that he can use only for during the week to purchase that mobile phone. So basically, Marketing Cloud understands what the customer likes, what kind of offers he's interested in receiving, and when is the best time to do it. The platform is easy to use, as you can see. It's based on the drag and drop logic. You can send email, SMS, push notification, and you can include dynamic content. So here I wanted to speak about the Einstein Analytics. So Einstein Artificial Intelligence is incorporated in Marketing Cloud, and it provides predictive information about the customer behavior. So in this way, we can understand how we can optimize. Maybe we are not targeting the right audience, and we can improve. Here you can see, for example, email open prediction. It gives you the average likelihood to open the email, the percentage, how it changed respect of the last week, for example, or last 2 weeks. Email click prediction, how much are our customers clicking that email, web conversion prediction, and then average likelihood to stay subscribed. There are also different Einstein tools, for example. When Einstein tells us which words we shouldn't use in the subject line of that email to prevent that the email goes directly in the spam folder, and so the customer will not see the email. Or on the other side, Einstein can also advise us, can suggest the best words that we can use in our email to attract the interest of the person reading it. Here I put some of the Marketing Cloud customers. In this way you can see I didn't want to put all the Salesforce customer because there are a lot. Of course, those are not the unique Marketing Cloud customers. There are many, but I wanted to show you that different brands and industries are using Marketing Cloud. For example, we can see insurance, financial services, customer goods, electronics, automotive, airlines, telecommunication, cosmetics, etc. So there are different industries. Here you can see some average salaries for some Salesforce roles. Of course, here you can see the top of the salary that you can achieve. But before being a Salesforce architect, you should, let's say, acquire skills, some certification, knowledge of Salesforce in general. So here we are speaking about Marketing Cloud. So marketing careers can achieve almost 70K per year in US dollars, or people can start often from being an administrator, and also an administrator can achieve high salaries. Of course, developers, that there is always a high demand of Salesforce developers, have a very good salaries as well. So, of course, what is the first step, let's say, to join the Salesforce world? Is to acquire some knowledge, some skills, studying, and get certified. So, the ideal would be to start from the Salesforce Administrator certification, because with this course, with this knowledge, you will be able to understand everything from the Salesforce, about the Salesforce platform. So, but in Marketing Cloud, you can start with the email specialist certification. It doesn't have the admin certifications as a prerequisite. You can start directly from that. Of course, you should study from your own the administrator part, because it is really important to understand all the Salesforce platform. And as mentioned here, we are Salesforce authorized training provider. So we're delivering official Salesforce courses, full courses, but also exam preparations that are sessions of 6 hours that are, targeting the how to prepare the certification, how to be prepared in order to pass the exam. Our courses are instructor-led. Our instructors are Salesforce certified and instructor certified, and we are providing courses all over the world. Those courses are tailored for consultants that are already working, for example, so are online during maybe evening hours sometimes. But yeah, we we try to deliver the best course, basing also on your availability. So maybe as you are working, you're available only on the evening. We provide also recordings. In this way, if you lose a lesson, you can see it later, etc. So that's why what we are doing. Certifications are very important in Salesforce. I mean, they are required to enter the Salesforce world and to have a position as a Salesforce admin or Salesforce consultant or whatever. We provide the courses for admins, marketers, developers. So there is the email specialist course, but there is also the journey builder workshop, etc. I can provide you further details about our courses. And yes, here you can see my details, my email address. If you have any questions, also later you can send me an email. You can find me in LinkedIn as well. I would be happy to speak with you. Of course, for more information, just let me know. And now, yeah, we have finished this session. So I'm available for, answering your questions. As I told you at the beginning, you have the right-hand panel here. You can write me in the chat, or you can raise your hand. I can also unmute you if you want to speak. So if you can let me know about some questions, I'm here. Mhm. For now, I don't see any question. Um, in the meantime, I wanted to add that Marketing Cloud, well, Salesforce has 20 years of exist since 20 years. Um, but Marketing Cloud was introduced 4 years ago. So all the Salesforce clients are starting to use Marketing Cloud. That's why there is a high demand of these professionals. And, it is the best in that field, in the CRM. So companies are always asking for certified professionals, and there are a lot of growth opportunity, even if you don't have marketing cloud experience, because we had a lot of cases where people were hired without having experience, but just a certification. Sometimes, even if they didn't have a certification, maybe they just followed a course with us and they were studying to get certified, then they were called by some companies. So in this field, there are a lot of job opportunities. Okay, the cost of training. Regarding Marketing Cloud, well, the full course has a price of 1,500 euros. The course it's about lasts about 10 days, usually 4 hours per day, from Monday to Friday. And there is an instructor. You will be provided by the exercise book and also the theory book. So you will study. You have well, the certifications. The certification that has a value of 200 USD is already included in the price, and you have 1 year of time to get certified. Then on the other side, there is also the exam preparation. That price it's about 430 euros. Also, in that case, the certification is included, and this is only a session of 6 hours for the preparation for the exam. There is also a small workshop. There is not the certification for Journey Builder, but there is also, as Journey Builder is a part of Marketing Cloud, we are also giving this workshop about the Journey Builder as well. Yes, and then the course is in English. And you, as I mentioned, we will add you to K2 Connect. There is a specific group for Salesforce students. There, the instructor will upload every day the records of the lesson, and you will be able to see also it later. Yeah, all these prices are already discounted from respect of Salesforce. You can also, I can give you also some details later per email about the comparison between our prices and Salesforce prices. We can apply this this better price because we are authorized training provider. And of course, then you will receive the voucher for taking your exam. And all the access to Salesforce, the materials, etc. Everything is official, and also, of course, the certification. Okay, so I can see any questions. So we can also, finish the session, and I will contact you per email, and we can speak also individually about that if you have any, any questions, any curiosity, if you would like me to share some more information. I'm here. Okay, so nothing. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a nice evening, and I will contact you per email. I hope that this session has been clear, and yeah, and nothing. Stay in touch. Thank you, and have a nice evening. Bye bye.